Hello my friends, this is Anirban. Welcome back to my Geek Anirban channel, and today I am going to give you the full review of the Oppo Realme One. This phone में क्या बुरा चीज़ है, क्या अच्छा चीज़ है, I will definitely tell you in this video only. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel first and go like करना बोल दो, बोलो like this video also. So let's see. So I have tested this phone thoroughly for about 15 days, and this will be the proper honest review from my side. So before going to this video, I want to mention all the specifications of this Oppo Realme One. Oppo Realme One sports the 5.99-inch Full HD IPS display, that is a 403 ppi, and it has a 3410 mAh battery, and it sports the MediaTek Helio P60 octa-core processor, that is a 2 GHz, and it has a 13 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front facing camera. So first of all, the build quality. Here the build quality of the Oppo Realme One is absolutely fantastic. I have to say, it's a glass body, it looks very much premium in hand, and it's not that very much bulky. It's a lightweight, but still the build quality is fantastic, and the round edges are almost, it's a metal with a glass body over here. It's simply looking very nice. So it's one of the best build quality to me. Let's talk about the display. How the display of the Oppo Realme One. Here the display is fantastic. It's a full HD IPS display, and they have already told that this has an extra screen brightness over here. So that's a very interesting thing. And with that, the sunlight visibility is also very excellent. If you are in a very direct sunlight, under direct sunlight, there will be no issue. So according to the display, the brightness is one of the fantastic to me. Let's talk about the call quality. The call quality is very good. No sorts of call drops here and there. It's very much reliable to everyone, whether I am using the Jio and the Vodafone though. Still, it's fantastic. Does it support the OTG function in the Oppo Realme One? Yes my friends, it does support the OTG function, so there is no issue regarding that. With that, one big con you are getting, that you don't have any fingerprint sensor in the Oppo Realme One, either at the back nor at the front also. So the main unlocking feature is the face unlock feature. Without that, you can't open this phone. So how the face unlock feature works? I've already made the separate video of the Oppo Realme One face unlock feature, especially with the comparison of the Redmi Y2. I have already done that. Then see the face unlock feature here. It has not been opened, so now I have to get unlocked. See, just tap, press, open. It's very much fast, and this time the Oppo has done a very good job under this particular price category segment. So this costs almost 8,990 for 3GB RAM version, 32GB internal, that's a basic version. More than that, they are having the 4GB RAM version and 64GB internal. That price almost 11,000. No, this is a 6GB RAM version, special version. This is having 6GB RAM version and 120GB internal. So you are getting one of the best face unlock feature under rupees 9,000. So that's a very good thing in this budget. Let's talk about the day-to-day performance. How the day-to-day performance are giving to me. Trust me my friends, I just got surprised. Before this video, means in my life I never used the Oppo phones. I hate that brands, Oppo and Vivo, but now I have to tell you, this time every game has been changed. Really, the Oppo has done a brilliant job, especially with the day-to-day performance and the RAM management. This first time I am feeling that there is no RAM management issue I have ever felt. See, the multitasking is really very fantastic. No such a problem regarding that. It's very fast and accurate. You will not face any such a problem, whether you are playing the high-end games or you are watching the videos. Suppose you can watch the videos at a time, you can also play. There will be no hanging issue like that. So it's one of the very fastest under this budget category, not under this budget category, under the mid flagship phones also. So this phone is one of the very much fastest, I can assure you. Let's talk about the battery performance. Though it has the 3410 mAh battery, surprisingly the battery life is awesome, is absolutely fantastic, I have to say. Trust me, when I just saw the video on my YouTube channel or any other from the pen drives, or I used to play, the battery life is not falling drastically. It's a very minimum falling. It's not that heavily it is falling. It's not that. And it's one more thing, you will not get any heating issues in this particular phone. So that's a very profitable thing for us. And the battery life means if your phone is under 15% like that, 15% to 100%, it will take almost 1 hour like that with my Samsung Fast Charger. Now the main thing for everyone, for the girls, for the human beings, for the man, woman, etc., the camera department. Here the Oppo Realme provides a 13 megapixel rear facing camera with the artificial intelligence and the 8 megapixel front facing camera. Surprisingly, it surprises me a lot really. The camera quality is exceptionally very good, my friends. Whether it's a rear facing camera, but if you compare with the rear facing camera or with the front facing camera, the front facing camera is much more superior than the rear facing camera of the Oppo Realme 1. And if you want to compete with the Redmi Y2, then also the Oppo Realme 1's camera is far more better than the Redmi Y2. Suddenly I got something difference that in the Redmi Y2 the rear facing camera 0.5 to 0.10 difference like that, means the 0.5 is extra to the Redmi Y2. So other than that, the rear facing camera and the front facing camera as well as both is irrespectively very good, I have to say. With that, the the time lapse of the Oppo Realme 1 is also very fantastic to me. Really, I have also took some time lapse in my previous video. That's a happy birthday my sweet Coco's video. If you want to watch that video, it will be in the links of the video of this video somewhere else at the end of this video. So the quality of the time lapse is also very good. More than that, the video quality is also very good. So I have no problem regarding the camera quality. This video is recording with a rear facing camera of the Oppo Realme 1. It has a 13 megapixel rear facing camera and the audio is via this phone only. So see the picture clarity of the leaves. Yes, it's looking nice. And yes, one more thing I have to tell you, there is no focusing problem particularly in this phone. And yes, this phone also does not support the optical image stabilization. कौन देगा ना इस प्राइस में? This video is shooting with a front facing camera of the Oppo Realme 1. It has a 8 megapixel front facing camera and you can record the video as a 1080p resolution. That's a very interesting thing. And yes, this phone doesn't support the optical image stabilization as see I'm running. So I think it may shake. Yes, it is shaking. Seriously, Oppo has done a brilliant job. Anyways, the next point is for the gaming performance. Here the gaming performance is awesome really. The Asphalt Extreme game, the Nova 3, the FIFA games with the Shadow Fight games. I have played these games, everything in my phone. Trust me, there is no heating issues. Let's see the gaming reviews over here. Let's start the game. 2. So the gaming experience of the Asphalt Extreme game and the Nova 3 is one of the fantastic to me, and I have played almost all these games for about 25, 30, 35 minutes. I have not counted very much thoroughly. So personally I am telling you that I don't feel any sorts of heating issues, no sorts of lagginess, nothing. This is the first time I have to tell you under this budget, ये Oppo Realme 1 खतरनाक वाला फोन है, खतरनाक. Just पूरा मक्खन है ये phone. One thing I have to say that yes, this has a single speaker over here, but this I felt the speaker is not that much loud to me. Yes, it's a crystal clear, but it's not that very much loud to me. Something is very much buzzy like that. According to me, I am telling you. So the speaker wise, I am not very much satisfied with the speaker. So overall, now come to the verdict. Here I have to say, if you want to give the ratings to all these sorts of things, hardware or software, whatever, first thing, that display, I will give 9 out of 10. as because the display is very much bright, no sorts of problems, especially the sunlight, direct sunlight visibility is also very great, and the build quality is almost 8 out of 10 as because it's a glass body. If it fails once time, then it can be breakable, that's why 8. If to the camera, 9.5 to the camera in the budget I am telling you, and this phone can compete with flagship phones also, means mid-range flagship phones. And with the performance, here the 6GB RAM version, 128GB internal is pura butter, pura makhan. This is no sorts of lagginess I have ever felt till now in the budget category segment. And yes, I have also the Redmi Y2 also. Here it lags many more, and I will definitely give the review of this one also. So stay tuned for that. And almost performance here 10 out of 10 to me. The gaming performance 8 out of 10 to me. Means the battery is also, surprisingly the battery is also one of the fantastic to me. It's mind-blowing battery, though it has a 3410 milliamp battery, but surprisingly the battery quality is at a top level. The charging point, the charging level is also very good to me. And if you talk about the face unlock feature, it's one of the fastest. It's 10 10 10, full on 10. Yes, one big con is that there is no fingerprint sensor. It's a minor con for me, but trust me, the face unlock feature is so fast now. Just tap, it opens. It's drastically very fast to me. So overall 100 out of 100 I will give the 90, 92, 93 like that in the budget category segment. So before purchasing this phone, please think about these points. I think it helps to all of you. And I have told almost everything in this video. If I could miss something, one thing or any other thing, please do let me know in the comment box. I will definitely give all the replies to you. So this is all about for today. Thank you my friends. Thank you. Till now. Bye bye. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.